loved it. You are funny, you are quirky, you are very, very charming, and your magic was absolutely excellent.
Yes.
I mean, faultless.
You're the funniest person we've seen and the most magical person we've seen, all combined in one, and I love you.
So I'm going to kick this off with a yes.
It's a yes from me.
It's a yes from me.
No. You, my friend, get the golden buzzer.
Yeah, hello, my name is Surprise. So I'm 27 years old. I live in Rwanda, beautiful country, of course, Kigali, greenest country in the world. So I started this magic because I liked it since I was young. So and we were together with so many young children. So there is a man who taught us how to make a magic. So it was really wonderful to me, and I kept running it well, of course, and I continued to make it very well. So I remember the time I did before, because my mother didn't like it, and she did not, of course, know if I can do something better, something beautiful, something impress people. So when I attended in AGT, American Got Talent, so I showed a word. I showed many people that I know what I am able to do, and even I impressed those people who did not take it serious before. And now my mother is happy for what I'm doing. So everything, yeah, you know, sometimes when you start things, people can't understand and can't know exactly what is important from it. So, but previous, my mom didn't understand and didn't know if I can be a famous, of course, a superstar. But after being impressed in that time, and now she really gave me the time, she really helped me, yeah, and to do it. My purpose, I just want to inspire people to be able to have a confidence for showing what they are able to do. So it is really difficult in the world, but when you're confident, when you know something, so you don't need to discourage yourself. You need to share. You need to show the people that you're able to do it. So because when you do it yourself, and when you are not there to show people that you know it, nobody can know what you know. But when you show them that you are able to do it, people being impressed because they get the result from what you have performed. So I performed in American Got Talent, and now people knew who is me and what I'm able to do. You know what is now what is, oh my God, you know what is really hard? You know, I'm not happy at it. You know, when I pass through my village, people say, hey, this is magician. Yeah, I know you. I become superstar in my home village. So it's hey, somehow it's really hard, because when I pass there, many people come to me and say, hey, we saw you in American Got Talent, we saw you in American Got Talent, you did well, do magician for us. So they do it, that they ask me every day. So oh my God, I really wish I really wish to continue, and I really wish to, of course, to tell those young superstars to be able to think and create what they can be able to do, of course. Yeah. So of course, when I was young, my dream was to attend AGT, even though it was really difficult because where I was born, you know, in Africa we live far, so I did not, of course, expect that things happened to me previous it will be, because it was really hard to me because born in poor family. You know, when you're born in poor family, sometimes it's really hard. Yeah, and now I appreciate, and I'm focusing for helping the other people's other young talents to get to help them to their dreams. So my dreams came true, and I want to help them in their dreams. So it will be really beautiful to me. Thank you so much. Yeah.